Ready to cash out those hard-earned Hamster Kombat coins? This guide shows you exactly how to withdraw them from your Telegram wallet. First, open Telegram and locate your Telegram wallet. The wallet icon usually sits at the bottom of your screen. If you cannot see the wallet option, type wallet to activate the wallet bot. Now, tap on the wallet icon. This will open your wallet interface, displaying your current balance of cryptocurrencies and various options like buy, sell, and send. Look for the send or withdraw button. This option might be labeled slightly differently, but essentially allows you to transfer funds out of your wallet. Tap on it. A window will pop up, asking for the recipient's address or wallet details. This is where you'll enter the address of the external wallet where you want to send your Hamster Kombat coins. Ensure this address is correct to avoid losing your funds. You will be asked to select the cryptocurrency to withdraw. Choose Hamster Kombat coin from the list. If Hamster Kombat coin is not directly listed, you may need to convert it to a more common cryptocurrency like USDT or Toncoin within the wallet first. Before confirming, double-check all the transaction details, the recipient's address, the amount you are sending, and any associated fees. Be aware of any security warnings, and if anything looks suspicious, cancel the transaction immediately. Finally, confirm the transaction. Depending on your wallet settings, you might need to authorize the transaction using two-factor authentication or another security measure. Once confirmed, your Hamster Kombat coins will be withdrawn and on their way to your external wallet. Now you know how to safely withdraw and manage your digital assets.